Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you the different types of loop in C++. Begin with the for loop. The for loop the code, like if you making a composition, write I10, and if it stop the loop. It's a pretty simple loop, means you define how times it loops. This is good in using if you want like exactly 20 times to loop the code. You can, instead of the I, also of the raw number, write or create a variable and replace it with a variable. This will work too. Now we're gonna create first a range-based for loop. A range-based for loop is almost like a for loop, just with the difference that you don't define exactly how much times it repeat. It makes auto, and if for example, and it's for data collection. If for example a array have 10 numbers in it, it will loop it 10 times automatically. Means you have just to write the name of the vector or array, for example. Now let's create a while loop. In a while loop, you do this mostly with a boolean, means true or false, or something whatever. Important one is, if for example something is true, it will keep spam looping until it becomes false, or exactly opposite. I wanna include now an exit that we can stop the while loop. This exit will just simply make the boolean from true to false, and if it false, it will stop the while loop. a do-while loop is almost same like a while loop, just with the difference that it always get at least one time run it. Now we're gonna create a necessary loop. This is simple, a loop in a loop, or a loop in a loop in a loop in a loop. C++ support up to 265 loops into one loop. Important, the loops, interloops are always faster, because if, for example, in a loop get called 10 times and the main loop get 2 times called, means the second loop get 20 times called, because every time if the main loop get 1 time called, get the second loop again 10 times called. Now we're gonna create some infinity loops. In a for loop you do just simple 2 semicolons. This means it gets repeated. This means it's empty, and if it's empty then it's infinity. In a while loop or in a do while loop you write simple true, because true is always true, or you write something what always stays same, like 3 is bigger than 2, and this will always be bigger than 2, and that's why it will keep looping it infinitely. It will keep looping endless. Thanks for watching, I will be happy if you like the video, and see you later with another video.